Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. We have some goodies today, okay? Rosalind sent me over their gel polish starter kit, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside if I can get it open. Okay, so what is poly nail gel? Here's this little info pamphlet that it comes with, little steps. Be thorough. Okay, there's so many things in here. Okay, first off, yeah, we gotta count this stuff. So we have the base coat, which I know is going to be super shiny. Top coat, super shiny. I already know. Cuticle oil, thank you so much for this. I did need this. The slip solution, I don't use it, but you know, nice to have. This mini UV nail lamp, I can't wait. It's so portable. I know I'll be able to use it in school when I do nails for the girls. These glitters, oh my God, so pretty. Some of them are fine, some of them are chunky. They sent me a nail scrub brush. Can't get enough of these. Some nail forms. I don't use nail forms, but I do want to try. The rhinestone tweezers. I have a pair of those, but it's nice to have another. Thank you, Rosalind. They also sent me the clips for the dual forms. You know, that's cool. These rhinestones. Oh my God, so cute. So many of them, and they're different shapes too. The cuticle pusher. 180 grit buffer, large nail clipper. The things that they sent me were so good, and it was such like a good package for a beginner. If this is going to be your first time, like they literally send you everything. They even sent me a trimmer. Like that's for the people who are intimidated or don't know how to use the nipper. This polygel brush, can't wait to use. Although my CADS brush, I've been loving it, I still want to try this. These nail stickers, so freaking cute, like so cute. You're gonna see my favorite ones in a few. Like these are beautiful. These are kind of cool, but my favorites are these. These iridescent butterfly stickers are so pretty. Yeah, so let's get into all these colors. They sent me 20 colors. There are 20 mini polygels, so many shades, an array of shades for me to choose from. So I'm just going to choose the one that I want to use for my nail art. I am going to be doing, of course, spooky season curved nails, but I'm going to be drawing the Oogie Boogie Man on it. So for this set, I want to choose the color that I want my nail bed to be for, you know, my base color, my background color. Yeah. So this is what I'm selecting. Some of them are too sheer for me. I'm looking for a really creamy nude, and I'm not going to stop until I find it. So the first two colors that I selected weren't it, so I'm gonna try swatching another one. This is one of the mocha browns that they had. These colors are very like neutral, and they have some flesh tones, but there's not a lot of like other colors. So this was one of their flesh tones, and I didn't really like that for the background. It was just not the right shade. That is gorgeous, okay? That one is gorgeous, but it wasn't quite what I wanted. I did not expect that color to look that way. I did not expect that color to look that way, but it does, okay? The numbers are so small. I think this is PY024. Yeah, I don't like that one. The color that I ended up going with was PYO015. That is the one that I like. That's that one. But I was so like anxious because it's small. So I was just like, oh my God, I hope this does the whole set. I made sure not to do my nails too long. But you see me going in with my base coat because this is going to be a pop-off set as usual. And yeah, I love my white background that I record on now because, you know, I've been working on like my setup and things like that and just my aesthetic for my videos. So I love my white. Like everything is white and it's just so cute. I want it to be white and chrome. And guys, I'm feeling better. Yeah, I was so sick and it was horrible, and I'm glad that I've recovered. And thank you to everybody who wished me a better health and told me feel better. Thank you guys. And I really hope that these nails do not just pop off during my application, because then I'm gonna be sick. Like, it's the shape. Like, I don't know. I worked on my prep, even though these are pop-off, so I don't prep. I worked on my prep, but sometimes these just come off. So I'm sure to, like, I'm being sure to, like, hold the sides and shit, because I don't want these to pop off. Do you know how depressing it is when you're doing a set, like you're making content, and it just starts to go wrong? This is supposed to be fun. This is supposed to make me happy. Why is this making me stressed? I don't want those emotions, because I don't want those thoughts. So yeah, I just hope everything goes well, and I hope that my nails don't pop off. But if you guys are just watching this to get the nail art and your application down, and you are doing a set that is staying on, I do recommend you not watching this video, even though you should watch this video because the nail art is fire. You should watch one of my videos where I'm doing the nails on someone else, because then you get to see me prepare the nail bed, put the primer, dehydrator, things like that. Go through the necessary steps for you to retain your nails and have your nails for a while. So if you're keeping your nails on, you should watch one of those to get your prep down, versus watching this one where I'm just popping it off. This is for the demonstration on how I achieved the look, rather than a video on prep and how to make your nails stay on. Okay, watch this because it's cute. All right, it's cute. This is inspo. This is inspo. And I am showing you guys, let me tell you the value that you're getting from this video. Do YouTubers tell you the value that you're getting from their videos? I'm going to tell you, you didn't see that. I am going to tell you the value that you get from watching Lashay Nails. Okay, you learn how to manipulate your polygel with a wood stick. You learn which polygels are sticky, messy, nasty, dry, whack. From my videos, you get coupon codes, and you get links to products, right, that are beneficial to you and that really work because you see me use them, right? And I'm honest with my reviews. You get honest reviews from me, okay? I be dead ass. Sometimes I tell you funny stories. You know, you get entertained here. Are you not entertained here? Look what I did to my thumbnail. I wanted it to be shorter, but I didn't want to go back in and cut the tip, so I just pushed the polygel up. Very ghetto. Look at it. Very ghetto. I'm going to file it off anyway. Look at these files. The files they sent me are good, but they were very, I can't describe it. It's like the grits weren't gritting. Or maybe it was the polygel, because when I tell you guys, this had no tacky layer. Like, yeah, I wiped it off anyway, but before I even wiped the nails off, it was smooth. Like, there was not really a tacky layer with this polygel. So I have to give it to Rosalind for having good formula. See, that's the value you get here on my channel. You learn about the formulas of the polygels before you even spend your coin. This is worth the coin. The size could be bigger if you could size up in the Rosalind Polygel. That probably will work better for you, because these mini tubes, they're very, very baby. No, these tubes are very, very baby. Like, they're small. So it's like you get you a bigger tube of this and you'll love it forever, because it doesn't have much of a tacky layer after it's cured, and it's very easy to manipulate. It's very firm. It's not runny at all. See, that's the value. That's the value of coming to Lashay Nails. You learn that here. I know there's other girlies that do videos on Rosalind gel polish, and this is no shade to them, but this is the value you get here. So come on back. Subscribe. Like this video if you're still watching. And I'm really trying to give you guys just the truth. Like, they're not sending me anything that they're not sending you guys. Before I was a YouTuber, I used to see like the hair reviews and things like that, and people are like, oh, they sent me a bad batch. What bad batch? Like, why would they purposely send you bad hair? Like, why would they, like, I don't think they're gonna send me a superior quality of polygel. They send me small tubes of polygel. They send me sample sizes. Maybe I haven't gotten to the level of where they're sending me the 60 gram. Maybe I haven't gotten to that level where they're sending me the large tubes of polygel. Maybe that's it. But for now, they're sending me the same thing that they send you guys. Okay, so all of my reviews are honest and thorough. Like, this is what the polygel is given. And guys, I've gotten way more comfortable with my drill, even though I do think it's time for me to change the cuticle bit that I use, because now I'm trying to really get in. I've gotten more comfortable using it, and I really want to go in and like just get that cuticle area nice and sealed and flat. So I need to change to maybe like a tapered bit. But we learn as we go. The crazy thing is, in school, I wish they taught polygel there. And it's not because I don't know enough, it's because I want to know more. I want to know more. And Tegan has classes. They're only $300, but I just feel like, I don't know if I'm ready. When I'm ready, I'll do it. But for now, I'm just in school 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Like, it is a lot, guys. Like, some mornings I don't know how I get up. And the crazy thing is, it's a borough away from me. You guys know I'm from New York. And I'm here to do school. That's what I'm here for. And it's like, it's so draining. Because it's so far from my house. Like, I have to take a bus to a train to the next borough. And then at night, I come back home, and I get out at 5, and by the time I'm back home, it's like 7. And then I have to go to sleep and do it all over again. And I'm not complaining. I'm just venting. It's not the same thing. Seriously. Ladies, refine that shape. I'm not really going to show you the buffing portion. It was I really sped this up. I didn't want you guys to have to spend forever watching an application. You've seen me apply polygel 1,000 times. I really wanted to focus more on the nail art portion. So, yeah. I'm drawing my Oogie Boogie and my bat and Boo with the drips on it and stuff like that. I know I jump around when I'm talking a lot. I'm an Aquarius. Period. And big January, okay? I know the February's always got something to say, but it's big January, you heard? Like, we don't usually talk shit, but I'm just saying I'm here to put on for the Januaries, because the Februaries be acting like they the only ones who some of them is them ones. Like, no, we be them ones too. Definitely. Okay? Alright, but I'm going to stop talking now so you guys can continue to watch this nail art. And yeah. Alright? Bye. And use your stick. Look how good the stick is. I'm going to do this nail art with my stick, okay? Even the cleanup with the other end of my stick. Alright. Ciao, Bellas.
Seem to take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
You know, I had to try this viral hack with the blooming gel. These are going to be the blooming ghosts, and it was just so fun to draw their cute little mouths on. I'm also using Rosalind gel polish. They sent me the kit of the over 40 mini colors, so I have everything that I need to do any nail art for a while. But because I'm featuring the Rosalind gel polish starter kit, I wanted to feature the gel polish as well. I wanted to push myself and push my creativity and see what I could come up with. This is my first time ever doing this much nail art, and I really feel confident that I can get better and I can draw more things, and maybe I can even ask you guys to like request things that you want to see. Like I might get nice. And the crazy thing is, fun fact about me, as I said before, I am from New York, and part of my history is what happened on 9/11. And the fun fact, even though it's not that fun, is my artwork was in one of the fallen buildings. I had attended an award ceremony for my artwork, and I have a picture from it. If I ever find the picture, I'll try to insert it in one of my videos. But it was just a blue cup called Still Life, and I guess it was just prolific for a 9-year-old to paint something like a blue cup on a black background looking alone in the darkness. So they probably like really were moved by that. But yeah, my cup is gone. My painting is gone. But do you know what is here? Have you any idea what is here? That like and subscribe button and these nails, because the set is complete. And take a look. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy I pushed myself. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please share it with somebody who might like it. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, bellas.